To reserve a printer, go to the library homepage, scroll down, then click on the KVCC 3D icon. Type in the password for the printer reservation calendar. Your instructor will give you the password. Click open. Choose the day that you want to reserve a printer for. Let's say I'd like to reserve a printer for February 14th. Before I click on that day, though, I'm going to hover over this other reservation and just make note of the printer that is already reserved, Lunder Prusa 1. So then I'm going to click on the day, type in my name, uncheck all day because I'm not going to be printing all day. Let's say I want to reserve the printer from 1 to 3 p.m. And then in the printer box, click there, and you'll see that there are printers up on the Elfon campus in the Averill building. But we're going to scroll down to the Lunder printers, and you'll see that there are 8 Prusas in Lunder, and we already know that number 1 is reserved, so I'm going to go ahead and select number 2 and click Save. You can reserve printers anytime from home ahead of time, so that way you'll ensure that a printer will be available when you come in to print. And if you can't make it or you need to change a time, you can always click on your reservation and either delete or change the times as needed. And that's how you reserve a printer.